Okay, tonight we are cooking a Thai-style curry, tofu, and vegetables with rice. Okay, so here's the two main ingredients for tonight's dish. It's extra firm tofu in this Thai-style curry sauce that I bought at Target. First, I'm going to start a pot of rice in the rice cooker. This is jasmine rice. I cut up the tofu. I'm going to start to cook it in this frying pan here on about medium heat. While the tofu's cooking, I'm going to chop up the vegetables I have on hand. It's up to you as far as what vegetables you'd like to use in your stir fry. I'm using baby carrots, celery, and red bell pepper. Don't have any onions on hand, but that's okay. The dish still turns out great. This is a quick and easy, healthy dish. Doesn't take too long. I'm going to add my vegetables to the frying pan with the tofu. As far as how long you cook them for, that's your personal preference. I don't like mine too well done. Now go ahead and add the Thai-style curry sauce to the frying pan. And again, how much sauce you like is your own personal preference. And just simply mix it together. And I've turned off the heat on the stove while I'm mixing this in. I'd say that looks good right about there. I'll go ahead and plate the rice. And I got some baby spinach underneath the rice. And I'll go ahead and add the tofu and vegetables. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.